Today, I'm starting something new. This is my 90-day real-life AI journey for women 50 plus. For the next 90 days, I'm sharing how I use AI in real everyday life. Not hype, not tech talk, just real situations. And today, we're starting with food because here is my honest problem. Nothing dramatic, nothing extreme. I just want to feel better in my clothes, have more energy, and stop that constant, what should I eat mental loop, or the I'm bored, I think I'll go get a snack situation. What I've noticed about myself is this. If I don't have a plan, I either overindulge or I undereat during the day because I'm not that hungry, and then I overeat later. Overeating isn't good, but honestly, undereating isn't good either. For me, there is no middle ground. And if there is chocolate around, I have absolutely no self-control. So instead of winging it again this week, I decided to try something different. I opened my trusty Chat GPT. Here's exactly what I typed. Create a simple weekly meal plan for a woman over 50 who wants to lose a few pounds. I prefer high protein meals, moderate carbs, simple ingredients, and I don't want complicated recipes. I love chocolate and avocados and use cottage cheese instead of cream. Keep portions reasonable and include snack ideas. That's it. And here's what happened. Within seconds, it gave me a full 7-day outline. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Nothing extreme. No drink lemon water and pretend you're satisfied. It gave me high protein breakfasts with eggs, Greek yogurt, and yes, cottage cheese bowls with fruit. Lunches with grilled chicken, avocado salads, turkey wraps, simple protein bowls. Dinners that were balanced, lean protein, vegetables, moderate carbs, nothing that required a culinary degree or a 3-hour cleanup. And because I said I love chocolate, it didn't pretend that part of me doesn't exist. It built in small controlled chocolate options, dark chocolate squares after dinner, a protein yogurt bowl with cocoa powder, which I appreciate because pretending chocolate doesn't exist has never worked for me, ever, not once. Now, here's where this really helped me. It structured my day. Breakfast around 8, lunch around 12:30, snack mid-afternoon, dinner around 6:30, and that alone changed the game. Because when I don't plan, I'm either not hungry during the day and skip meals. Then I'm standing in my kitchen at 8:45 p.m. like, well, this feels like a chocolate emergency. Structure removes boredom snacking. Structure removes the mental debate. Structure removes the what should I eat at spiral. And I didn't just accept it blindly. I asked follow-up questions. Can you adjust this to around 1,600 calories? Can you give me a grocery list? Can you swap salmon for something more affordable? Can you increase protein slightly? And it adjusted instantly. It even broke my grocery list into sections. Produce, protein, dairy, pantry, which means I can walk into the grocery store like a calm adult instead of wandering aisle to aisle, wondering why cookies are suddenly in my cart. Now, this isn't medical advice, and I'm not saying AI replaces a nutritionist, but what it did replace, decision fatigue. And at this stage of life, I don't need another extreme plan. I need structure. I need realistic. And I need something that understands I'm not giving up avocados or chocolate. Now, let me say something important. Watching a video is great. You might learn something, but taking action, that's 100 times better. That's how women over 50 actually master AI. We learn by doing. So if you've made it this far, take 1 minute, copy the prompt. It's in the description, and I'll put it in the comments too. Open Chat GPT. Be specific. Tell it your age range. Tell it what you love. Tell it what you won't give up. Tell it your health concerns. Let it know if you have any special events or dinners that week. Then tweak it until it feels like you. You're not giving control to AI. You're using it as a tool. And then come back and tell us, yeah, did it hit the mark? Or did it give you something completely puke-worthy? Let's have fun creating weekly meals. That's it for day 1. Tomorrow, we're testing something even more interesting. So if you're following this 90-day journey, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Because this isn't just about watching, it's about learning. It's about doing. And it's about seeing what AI can actually do in real life. And hit that notification bell, and I'll see you right here for day 2.